So I'm on my way over to the house where I got this couch, and I'm gonna give them these gifts as a little thank you for letting me cut up their couch that they've probably used for a couple decades. This all started when I wanted to get into leatherwork. So I went on Facebook Marketplace and found this nice couch in the town next door. The owner apologized because they had a dog and the dog scratched up parts of the couch. I said, that's okay. I'm not going to use it as a couch. I'm actually going to cut it up into a bunch of pieces. He was real shook after I said that. To make it up for him and to give myself some practice in my first leather projects, I'm making him a couple simple pieces. The first is really simple and it's just a leather-bound notebook. The second one is a dog tag made out of the part of the couch that the dog scratched up. And the third is a pencil case to go with a leather notebook. Alright, the notebook was pretty easy. It was just cutting and gluing. In the next one, the dog tag, I had to learn how to hand sew leather for the first time, so that one was a bit of a challenge, but it was pretty small, so it was a pretty good introduction. So I'm using this piece of leather intentionally. Now at first glance it doesn't look like a great piece to work with because this side of the leather has some really great color, but this side is sun bleached. But what I want to do is tell the story of where this couch was located.